showed you how to make curry chicken, plantains. What else do you have for us, Mom?
We're gonna do a carrot smoothie.
What? You guys, this Cooking with Carlina episode just got better. All right, so what do we do?
It's with a twist.
Ooh.
So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start off with some strawberries. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and cut the top off.
Okay.
I always do them face down. It's just easier to control. Cut it into 4 pieces and then 2 more. Just so you could, it blends faster.
How
That's
big
the
are you
only
saying
reason
that?
why.
Because we all know your proportions.
Cut them as small as this. Santuan's brain. And put them aside.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
I would say do at least, let's just do 3. Let's see how that goes. Then we have the mangoes and we cut them as we did before in the squares.
You just push them out with your thumb, literally. It's so easy.
So easy. And then the pineapple, we'll just cut some more. About 1 inch. So what we're gonna do, cut that again. We're gonna need to cut all the ends off. Just cut it in triangles.
And these are being cut in bigger chunks, correct?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
We're gonna add a regular banana,
Not a plantain.
not a plantain. So we're gonna add a banana to this. Okay? You know, bananas, they blend really easy. Cut them up. All right. And we're gonna use the bullet. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and add the pineapples, some mangoes, strawberries, banana. Okay. We're gonna add some ice.
Okay. So how much ice do you think you're putting in?
It depends on the size that you're gonna use. I
what do
would
you have
say
right
this
now?
is about 1 cup.
Okay, that works.
And here's my twist. Coconut.
We're adding
Water.
coconut water.
All right, so we add about 1/2 cup of that.
Okay.
Just put at the bottom back onto that bullet. Put it on there.
Some
There we go. So it's well blended. Oh, look at that.
I already got my cup ready, y'all.
Oh, she does. Come on, Carlina, help here. Her hands are wet.
Your hands are wet. I think mine's mango-y.
There we go. Oh, there we go. Look at that smoothness.
Let's see. Here's the test. You guys, this is really good. It really is.
If you want it a little tart, you can add a little squeeze of lemon to it.
I don't like the tart. I like it like this. This is great for like summer barbecues. I'm all about the summer barbecues because summer's coming up. What else would you say?
Anything.
Not a wedding though. You can't drink this at a wedding.
Oh, come on. Live a little.
An island wedding. All right,
right.
you guys. For this recipe, go to my website, www.cookingwithcarlina.com. Also, check me out on Instagram at Cooking with Carlina. I will see you guys there. Mom, thank you so much for showing us these amazing recipes.
You're so welcome.
All right, love you.
Aww.
Bye, guys.